Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of HVAC Education Hub Channel. In this episode, we'll cover heat loss at different outdoor temperatures and how to set up your heat pump to have efficient and reliable system in all temperatures. First, as we explained in heat loss video, we design our heat pump system or whatever heating system at the lowest possible temperature. It means that most of the year our outdoor temperature is higher and we don't need so much heat because heat is like a speed. It is not constant, it is always changing. So this is how much energy in Joule per time per second are our home needed to be heated. Let's see one example. For example, our house needs 3 kilowatt at -2 degrees outside. The same house will need only 0.8 kilowatt when outside is +15 degrees. So it doesn't make sense to have fixed flow temperature in your radiators. Previously, we have high fixed flow temperature in our systems because old systems, they couldn't have condensation inside. So we must go with 70 or 80 degrees Celsius. In our house, we don't need so high flow temperature and so much heat. So for example, if we need 3 kilowatts and at outdoor of -2 degrees, we can go with 50 degrees flow in our radiators. But the same house, when outdoor is +15 degrees, need only 0.8 kilowatt. So the best way to regulate your heat pump system is through weather compensation curve. Weather compensation curve means when outdoor temperature is low, our flow water temperature is high. When outdoor temperature is high, our water flow temperature is low. In that case, we ensure that our whole house is always warm, so we have enough heat, but we are also reducing flow temperature, preventing our home to overheat and saving energy and money. So as we said, for every 1 degree of water temperature, we are spending 2% more money. So we can set up our heat pump. For example, Panasonic heat pumps, they all have weather compensation curve. Unit has outdoor sensor, and you can set up 4 points on your compensation curve. On one line, let's say X line, you can set up lowest outdoor temperature, for example, -2 in our case, and on other line, you can set up 50 degrees when outdoor is -2. Also, another point, when outdoor is 15 degrees, we can put 38 degrees flow, and between -2 and +15, our heat pump is going from 50 degrees, which is highest, to 38 degrees, which is lowest. For example, in the middle, if outdoor is +6 degrees, our outlet will be 43 degrees Celsius. It is hard to calculate how much heat or how much temperature you need. So in weather compensation curve, it is always good to put numbers, what you think, which flow temperature will be enough. And then you can play with this and go with this curve up and down. On Panasonic heat pump, you can go +5 and -5 on your main controller menu. This is all for today. Hope weather compensation and heat loss at different outdoor temperature is much clearer now. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.